Um, um, exclusive movie trailer straight out of nowhere. Scooby-Doo meets Courage, the Cowardly Dog. Surprisingly makes so much sense. Why? Because Scooby-Doo has met a lot of people. Batman, fucking the Harlem Globetrotters. Don't, man, it was about time. If you ask me, it was about fucking time. All right. All right, let's watch this.
Come on, let's go!
Come on, let's go, bro.
In the middle of nowhere, Scooby-Doo found a little courage. That's me!
It's my friends.
Oh! And a lot of adventure. Man, this place is totally freaky. Why is the water dripping upward?
Jinkies.
Now,
If you're in a situation,
I've never seen cicadas that big before.
Yeah, there were like 2 series about Scooby-Doo just doing that, right?
Than anywhere else in the world.
It's on our flag.
getting scared, then welcome to the town that isn't yours.
enjoy. There's nowhere
Does he have to cut the plate like that?
The insects grow to crazy sizes here.
Dead.
Bravery, I'm confident, it's still a dirty word.
And nowhere to hide.
Gesundheit. Oh, thank you.
Yep. That's very Scooby-Doo.
Laugh until you cry a bit, and then you get unstuck. Are you nutty as a fruitcake? Are you loony as a
She always gets fucked, man.
Gotta save Scoob!
Happy 4th of July. It's already July. Well, now it's 11:30 over here, man.
Nowhere, Scooby-Doo meets
Well, I guess we're
Courage
getting
the
there.
Cowardly Dog. Woohoo, jackpot! Watch the masters at work.
Massive fucking sandwich.
Excuse me. Must have been something I ate.
Look for it on digital and DVD.
Straight to DVD, yeah. Okay, well, that's it. That's a mouth. That's a goddamn mouth. All right, what is this? Google 404. Oh no, Nick, the link that you posted is fuck. All right, it looks like a regular Scooby-Doo fucking direct to DVD movie, which seemed fucking fine to me. The trailer was just a trailer too. It was very normal. This is very fucking normal, right? there's nothing out of the ordinary about this, right? The only thing out of the ordinary is that it took this long for these 2 cowardly dogs to meet, right? Kind of makes sense in a way. Why are you? I'm not trying to avoid no thumbs down, man. I have no feelings one way or the other in regards to this. That's it. No feelings. I know I'm trying to react to this video and I'm trying to talk about this video, but deep down in the bottom of whatever is here called horror or whatever black hole is there, I feel nothing. Okay? And the trailer is not even bad or good. It's just a trailer. So I don't know if that's a good thing, actually. You know what? It feels like, oh, what is this? What is this deal? All right, I will explain this picture to you later. But yeah, you know what? This trailer feels like those trailers that you will see when you. All right, I'm gonna show my age right now. Okay, you know, back in my day when you went to rent movies, right? You will rent them in a place that holds video cassettes of said movies, right? Like, listen, I know, fucking weird, right? You will go there, pay with the currency of wherever place you're in, You rent the cassette, bring it home, and you put it on your device and watch the movie. Before the movie starts, right? That is fantastic. Buen provecho with the pizza and the corn, right? Before the movie starts, okay, before the movie starts, trailers will play of other things that you can rent in said place. This trailer feels like one of those, right? Like it feels like it should be another trailer after this and a trailer before this, right? It should be in the middle of a bunch of trailers for other movies. All right. So it's that generic to me. Do I want to watch this? No. It's just fucking Scooby-Doo and Cowardly Dog, and yeah. Do I hate the character? No, I don't. I actually hate. I love both of them. It's fine. It's just don't want to watch this movie. There you go. That's the dislike. You guys can dislike. Oh, you know someone? He hates it. He fucking hates it. Dislike. All right, there you go. Moving on. Fucking moving on. Pizza and corn.